Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on an HP Chromebook. While Chromebooks are fantastic for productivity and web browsing, they don't natively run Windows PC games. The good news is, you can still enjoy The Sims 4 by leveraging cloud gaming technology. This method allows you to stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your Chromebook, requiring only a stable internet connection and a compatible service subscription. Let's dive into the best options available. Cloud gaming services are your primary pathway to playing The Sims 4 on a Chromebook. Services like NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the game you already own, connecting to your existing game library on platforms such as EA App or Steam. Other excellent choices include Boosteroid and Shadow PC, which provide a full Windows desktop experience in the cloud. Remember, a robust internet connection, preferably 50 megabits per second or higher, is crucial for a smooth, lag-free gaming session. It's important to clarify that The Sims 4, the full PC version, is not available as a native Android application on the Google Play Store. While you might find other Sims-themed mobile games, these are entirely separate titles designed for touchscreens and do not offer the comprehensive gameplay of the PC version. Attempting to run the PC game directly as an Android app on your Chromebook will not work, as it requires a Windows operating system environment to function properly. To summarize, playing The Sims 4 on an HP Chromebook is entirely possible through the power of cloud gaming. Forget about trying to install the PC game directly. Instead, embrace services like GeForce Now or Boosteroid. Always prioritize a strong, stable internet connection for the best experience. With the right cloud gaming subscription, you can enjoy building, creating, and storytelling in The Sims 4, transforming your Chromebook into a versatile gaming machine. Happy simming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.